According to Indeed.com, an average blogger makes around $51,971 per year, and 2023 is the best time to start because you have AI tools at your disposal to help you manage your resources and create a great content that can be engaging to get people to read your blogs. So on this video, we're going to look at how we can create these blogs using AI that is not detectable and does not have plagiarism, and how you can make money from it. So let's get started. So we're going to start by creating our free blog. We're going to be using Google Sites to be able to create a free blog because this is where Google helps out, like they host it for you free of charge. So there are already made templates here that you can use depending on what you want and how you want your blog to look. So for this example, we're going to be using this one to create our blog. Okay, so this is parents again. So depending on what you want, you can change this whole thing and customize it to the kind of blog you want. However, before you start off creating a blog, you must have your niche in mind, the things you are interested in writing about, so that you have fun doing it. So for this here is you can add your logo. Make sure you have your logo already in place before you start off with this blog. So we can say something like clean lad. Okay, and then if I have logo, I click here and add. So I can say how to wash your hands. So for this, if I don't need this, I'm going to remove it entirely. I'm going to change this the picture. Okay, let's say we are using this one. Okay, see, it has changed. And then you can move this if you don't want it. This too. I don't need this. So here are the things I need. So for here, I can write my blog heading, you know, when I have them, everything I need, I will put it here. So this is for insert, if you want to insert text, images, or embed a link, this one is for your blog content, anyhow you want it to be here. It's going to be, this is for your footer, you can edit it to whatever you want. Just play around with it, and once it is set, you can now go ahead to create your content. So let's go over to creating our content. So for the content creation, we're going to be using an AI tool called Gravity Writer that will generate everything for you, right from the title to the description to everything you need, including giving you prompts to get pictures that you can embed in your blog to make it look as professional as possible. This is Gravity Write. This is the AI tool that's going to help you. And for this blog, you're just going to be using this whole tool that is under the blog workflow. That is what is going to help you like generate the blog post you want. So here you write your blog topic for it to help you generate one. So the keywords are how to wash your hands. So the language is English, so you click create. It has generated quite a number of topics that you can actually use for your blog. So choose the one that we like and use it. I think I like this hand washing 101. So we are going to be picking this one. We'll copy it. We're going to be pasting it on our notepad. Okay, we pasted that. So now that we've pasted that, we're going to go back here and generate the blog outline. So go here. We paste our topic. The language is still English, and click create. So now it has given us our outline, and all we need to do is just make any adjustments where we don't really like. So we just make the necessary adjustments. So all you need to do is copy this again. Copy, go back to your notepad and paste it again. So now we have our outline. So we'll go back to the site again to generate the content of the blog. So what you need to do is paste the outline here and copy the heading, paste it here. For the tone, I want it to be professional, so I'm going to choose professional and then create. So it's generating the full content for us. Okay, it's done generating the content. All you need to do is to copy the content and paste it on your notepad. There you go. So you can delete other ones because you've gotten the main thing you want. But before, if you're going to be using your AI tool to generate the pictures, you may be needing the outline. But if you're not, you can delete it entirely so you don't get confused. So now that we have gotten all our blog content, if you need image and you are going to be using AI tool to generate image, you can click here and say image brief for blog, and it's going to create the prompt you're going to be using to generate the images that you will be needing. But I'm not going to be using AI image. I'm going to be using a free image from pexels.com to make it look like a very good blog because I prefer natural pictures to AI generated pictures. So here is for blog content calendar if you want to create one, meta title and description. So this tool is very, very good. Like it's not going to stress you. So to generate my image, this is pexels.com. All I need to do is to type hand washing image, hand washing. So you see, I'm going to change this. Yeah, this is picture already. So because it is blog, I'm going to be using landscape pictures, not the ones that are portrait. You know, let's look for one. I think I like this. Download this. So you can download as many as you want, depending on how you want it to look on your blog. So once you get that, the next thing you need to do is to go over to your notepad where you pasted the write-up. So let's go to insert, go to pictures, device, this, and put insert. So you see our picture is here and it's looking more like a blog. So you add as many as you wish to add. So now that your blog post is ready, all you need to do is to monetize it. And using Google Sites will not allow you to get Google AdSense. Like Google does not incorporate AdSense to blogs that are written using their site. So all you need to do is just to go to ClickBank or Amazon Associates where you can get affiliate links, and then you incorporate it to your blog such that anybody that reads the blog and sees any of those can click and go and make purchase where you get commission. That is the way of making money. You can actually also make money by writing promotions or advertising people's products or services, and you can only do this by the time you've grown your audience. So this is what you need to keep doing over and over. So now that you have gotten the blog ready, all you need to do is just incorporate the link and put it on your blog, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So before we do that, we're going to run this our blog post to an AI tool that can help us detect if it is written by AI or if there is plagiarism before we go ahead to post the blog on Google site, because once the Google detects it's written by AI tool, you can have your blog account terminated, or they will not publish your blog and you will not make money from it. So we have to run these blogs through this AI tool to see if it is eligible to be published, if there is no AI detected. And even if there is, this AI tool I'm going to be using can humanize your write-up for you so that it has that feel like it was written like human and AI will not be detected. So it's super cool. And this AI tool is called undetectable.ai. I've left a link in the description below where you can click and it will take you to undetectable.ai and you start using it, and it's super cool, easy to use, and it helps out especially if you're someone that keeps making write-ups. So this is undetectable.ai. It's a super cool AI tool that you can use to check for AI and to humanize your AI content if there is AI detected on your write-up. So all you need to do is just to copy that blog post and paste it here, and then check that I agree to the terms of service and check for AI. Give it some time. You see, your content appears human. It is GPT-0, OpenAI, Writer, everything is just here. And if there was AI detected, you just click on humanize and it will rewrite it for you in a format that looks more like a human wrote it. So wherever you post it, it cannot be detected that AI wrote this thing. So it's super cool. It means your article is safe to be published. So you can go over to Google site to publish your article. Now, before we publish our articles, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to impute the affiliate links that we got from ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or impact.com, anywhere you can get affiliate links that you can promote on your blog so that people click on them and then they go and make purchase. That way you get some commission. That is the way you're going to be getting money. But if you're using your own website or a website like you created on WordPress or blogger.com, you can actually have Google put ads to it, and that is where you can actually make some money from. So let me also mention that before you use any affiliate link, you make sure that the product you want to promote has relationship with the content you have on your Google site. Say for instance, I am going to be promoting products that has to do with hand washing, products that people can relate to the content you already put out so that they can click and they can make purchase. So we're going to look for a strategic place where we can incorporate the link and people can take action once they see it. So how to wash it? So you can include here. Well, now that we've written this, we can highlight it, go to insert, see links here, link. So all you need to do, you paste the link you copied. See, it has changed its color to blue. So now once anybody sees this and clicks here, it will take the person to where the product is on the site you got the affiliate link from, and the person can buy. So this is what you keep doing. You can even put it in between words, anyhow you want to do it, so that people will keep seeing it and they can click and buy. So now that our blog post is ready, we just copy first we go with the heading, copy, go over to Google Sites and paste it here. So you see your blog post is ready. So all you need to do is just make sure that every other thing that you need to be on your post is ready. Like for this, you have to edit your home, edit the family photos, because we use the template. So you edit stories and updates, parenting tips, about, edit everything to suit the blog you're writing. And once you are done with the editing and everything, you hit the publish and give it some time. Google will publish your article. So if you're looking for extra ways to make money online, check out this video. And if you saw value in this video, please like this video and click on subscribe button so that you can get more videos from me as I make them. And I'll see you in the next one.